Hi friends, welcome back to my channel SciTaker. In this video I'm going to do the Geekbench Mark 5 test on the Realme X1 Max device after recent Realme UI 3.0 and the Android 12 update. Yes friends, this is a question which I'm getting from a lot of subscribers asking me to make a video on this particular topic. So just a couple of hours back I did receive the Android 12 and Realme UI 3.0 update in this device. As you can clearly see friends, this is just a trial version only, early access update, not the stable one. During the stable one the things might be slightly kind of different, so make sure to remember that. Now let me need to do the Geekbench Mark test in this Realme X1 Max device. First let me need to remove this live wallpaper. So let's remove the live wallpaper. Yes, so live wallpaper is completely removed, I guess. Yes, all the apps are completely clear from the background time management. And now let me need to open the Geekbench Mark 5 test here, and let me need to show the brightness and everything is fantastic. So I'll need to compare before the update and after update how much Geekbench Mark test we can actually see in the Realme X1 Max without using any kind of high performance mode, which I'm trying to do right now, the testing. Second time I'll try to use the high performance mode and then I'll try to do the testing, so we'll be able to exactly identify what's happening, so with using and without using high performance mode after the Realme UI 3.0 update in this device. So I can be back after some time. So after this test finish, I'll try to compare friends before and after the results. So we'll try to see single core and the multi-core, is it got impacted or not after this Android 12 update in the Realme X1 Max device. So let's see, I'm gonna be back after some time. So finally we got the benchmark scores. Geekbench Mark 5, wow, 941 in the single core and the multi-core 3236. That's really very good high score friends in the Realme X1 Max device. As you can see, let me compare with the previous score. You'll be really shocked because before the update the Geekbench Mark 5 test scores used to be 2800, 2700, 2600. As you can see, wow, that's like, this is my first time I'm trying to see. That's really great friends without using any high performance mode. There is no high performance mode, there is no gain space, nothing is used. The score was really great. I think previous highest overall in my unit. Let me show you the result. I think yes, this is the highest score I got. That's it. I did get a lot of messages saying other users they were able to get 3300, somewhere around 3200, but mine is 8GB and 128GB variant. But after a lot of updates the score completely decreased and decreased. But right now after this update 3236, that's very fantastic friends. That's, as you can see clearly, wow, even I'm really shocked to see Geekbench Mark 5 test scores improved. Even with the Android benchmark test also slightly got high scores. That's kind of really great. So now let me to close this application and let's go to the settings and open the battery and turn on the high performance mode. So advanced settings and high performance mode is on. High performance mode is on successfully and all the apps are completely clear from the background. Again, let's open the Geekbench Mark 5 test, same settings, everything, except right now I'm trying to use high performance mode. So again, I'll be back after some time just to see what happens with the score. Overall, is there any kind of change in the overall score in the Realme X1 Max or not after this high performance mode testing? So I will be back after some time. So right now as you can see friends, the Geekbench Mark 5 is about to finish with the high performance mode. Let's see can it improve or not. And yes, as you can see 941 and 3248. Let me show you the before scores what we got. So before we got 3236 and now 3248. Little bit got improved, not a huge but just a little bit. But single core remains to be kind of exactly same, 941. As you can see friends, overall not bad. So definitely friends, this kind of update I did like, this kind of performance wise, but only thing the bad one's mobile game 60 FPS only unfortunately. So but still, that's it friends, thank you for watching. Stay tuned for more updates on the Realme UI 3.0 and don't forget to follow the playlist, and the playlist only can help you to know all the details about the Realme UI and the Realme X1 Max. Always follow the playlist for more details. Meanwhile, signing off friends, thank you for watching. Until then, bye.